Hi guys, if you're as hooked on playing Wordle as much as I am, why not share that love with your students? Play Wordle in the classroom using flippity.net. Wordle's great for spelling lists, vocabulary lists, sight words, theme words, or any other word lists. Let's check it out. So you're going to start by going to flippity.net, and it will bring you to this page where there are lots of activities, but I am going to focus on the Flippity Word Master, which is their version of Wordle. Click on Instructions. And then right here, you're just going to type in your word list. You can type words. I know in regular Wordle, the words have to be 5 letters. For this, your words can be up to 10 letters, but however many letters you use, you should use the same amount of letters for each word. So my list all has 5-letter words, but you can do lists with 6-letter words, 7-letter words, up to 10 letters. When you're done, you're going to put your word list title. We're up to Unit 22, and then you're going to click Generate. And now here's their Wordle. So all they have to do is, using their word list, start typing some words using the strategies from Wordle, which you'll go over, to help them figure it out. This is just another fun and engaging way for you students to stay focused and learn. Go check it out.